Tulip tales. 5 points on elegance and cultural significance. 1. Vivid diversity. Tulips boast a vibrant range of colors and patterns, creating eye-catching displays in gardens and arrangements. 2. Cultural symbolism. Tulips represent love, elegance, and prosperity, carrying deep cultural meanings in various societies throughout history. 3. Historical significance. The tulip mania in the 17th century marked a fascinating period of economic speculation and artistic inspiration. 4. Springtime delight. Tulips are heralds of spring, with their early blooms, bringing life and color after winter's slumber. 5. Global appeal. These versatile flowers thrive in diverse climates, making them beloved by enthusiasts and florists worldwide for their enduring charm.